Your travel is being banned. You cannot do further this type of vulgar pathogen spreading, maligning art, and to go sea voyage, to the do underwater travels. It is totally I, Dr. Rabindranath Ray. I know this climatology because the Gita or any other science is a super oriental science. That is a Cambridge and Oxford, that language is the science, etc. I'm Dr. Rabindranath Rota. I have mentioned all my details about this because all these Indian bonds are culprit, criminal, Malmotor, etc. I do not know who this. They are doing crime against humanity, and those crime cannot be tolerated. Even you and the Senate General Secretary or Joy Biden will not be pardoned by me and humanity the rest. Not Obama, not your Kamala Harris. No, no, no. Even if it is the UK government and peoples do, China is come to save China. Well, probably will not come because they have misutilized their facilities, but they have devastated with this climate condition as a man-made from the underseas, from Mexico Gulf or Japan, Korea, etc. They have lot and mismanaging of this because this to travel show you have to stop. BBC you have to stop. I to give order on the these people cannot be this criminal, antisocial, anti-nationalist, cannot be tolerated, cannot be entertained, cannot be given any clean sheet. This is anti-humanist, that is anti-humanist, anti-socialist. These people cannot be tolerated. These people cannot be tolerated. If it is another program is given in Al Jazeera, and I to see this if they have come.
And our
Here also they have come with this lot of this crime doing problems. They do the CNA, etc. All these peoples, they too do this crime against the Dubai people, these people, this restaurant, that cruise, that plane, aeroplane, and this polars, excursion, all is being banned. They are hindering me for about to enter Al Jazeera. These people here also they are doing a lot of crime. This man, this criminal, you cannot remain silent against my charge about USA is providing the all fund and they do a crime. They blame Donald Trump, but I don't think Donald Trump is innocent. Narendra Modi, Mamata Banerjee's group peoples have kept in dark, misled him. So these peoples who are doing this thing nonsense, it is not tolerable. Not tolerable, not tolerable. What news they are talking about, we have to take. Now they have come in basketball, that is not my area. I do not, because they have killed Maradona, that I have mentioned that he has, they have killed Maradona. You only say they have banned me, but I want to back that he is mishandling me. They are not allowing me to reach BBC.
It was a huge personal challenge and a very long process.
No challenge, no travel, no traveling, no for mischievous, misdeed, crime purposes, traveling is totally banned. For climate or pathogen spread or to develop, to collect the virulent pathogen and to modify in lab, to do crime, to mislead these peoples and to take this Red Indian dress and put that as if Red Indians or native tribe to mislead, to harm these people, being peoples from China, Japan, Korea, the innocent and to mislead them. You say, no. Chantal Pantal family is not. Chantal chanting witchcraft is not tolerable. This is Indian. This is Indian haramjadi.
We did the mad dash.
No. This sea particularly is totally you have to avoid. This sea is not tolerable. Going sea and polar area. It is not tolerable, not tolerable.
What are we going to do?
And crime against hotel business, it is not tolerable. This sea, disturbing sea or undersea, it's not tolerable. This is sea people's wrongdoer. Very wrongdoer, worst objectionable activities they are engaged. They are treacherous peoples. They are totally treacherous to the old world humanity. Because they are totally misleading. They have reached to UNO, Red Cross, UNICEF, that world mental. You see this cloud, how this made. You see this cloud.
And then I was hearing from government officials from other Pacific islands, I wouldn't be able to...
No. World Meteorology, you are misled. You have captured World Health Organization, World Meteorology. Today is 26th of December, Saturday. I am copying this is now time. It is my kitten has block time, and it is probably 7:20 p.m. of 26th December.
to travel, see loads of...
No, travel it is not. To take the tribals or native to malign them. You are doing crime, but taking this and to PLO, ALO, etc. to mislead and to see this blaster, how they make change this, because they have maligning the whole historical pilgrimage places by these culprit criminals who are anti-religious, anti-Allah, anti-God, anti-Ram, anti-Jisu, anti-Buddha, etc. This is peoples are totally criminal, vulgar, prostitutes. You are the fucker of the daughters and the Shastra and Quran, etc. You want to fuck without hesitation the Allah's name or God, Jesus, Ram, Buddha, etc. You take and do the drama, it is not tolerable. For total humanity, I am the only savior to help these witches. Those it is not, even it is not, if it is India, will not tolerate them to at Panaji, Goa or Andaman or Maldives. No water of Indian Sea, Bengal or Arabian Sea, this cannot be misused by these people. No, Indian Navy I have given strong cautious, because your role and your organization role playing has become very doubtful, and I have taken very seriously most of the yacht of Sindhu Ghat that ship where has gone, and there's lot of that happening with your Indian submarine ships. Why those people who have gone away? And I want to know how many people taking pension from outside as a military or secretary, minister relatives or official or scientist, director, not it is supposed to they serve to in India without giving any service, tell to you have to service. But you are independent, you are going abroad, you cannot draw pension. You cannot draw pension remaining outside. It is strong order to President. You as a representative of culprit criminal, as I have posted this letter, you have to read this paper to collect from Hooghly district magistrate what I am shown. Idiot, you cannot mislead in the name of Lord Ram, or you cannot visit Isha Guru like just a fake guru. I am to give stern warning. Your constitution, I do not, or Indian do not, you have to take referendum about this crime doing, and this criminal books cannot be. Even you have to take strong action. Even this Facebook who has deleted all my this file and post. Say Ajit Mohan, Ajit Doval, Ravi Shankar Prasad or Zuckerberg. Mark Zuckerberg is all developer CEOs, internet, Google Earth, human tracing facilities, human life tracing facilities, sky balance facilities, Earth inner microscope, etc. Those vulgar Judaism, etc. I want to also to introduce the 6 videos. How these 6 videos can be introduced in India? It cannot be. No person in can that we drew. That is a sex doing in the sea. It's a very crimeful to change the climate and to snatch the life of this all. So I want to collect the Chudumarani if to do that as objection. I to ask these 6 videos. 6 videos. I will not. This X videos, who has floated through internet why those matter will come in Indian. X videos, hot porn, tube, free sex, etc. It is not goes to against society. In Chudumarani, if I is to told her to blame the politician, kill thieves, dacoit, mass murderer, intoxicator, without anarchist, Chudir Bachas, anti-humanist, how this my language can harm this if it is those this my girls of Indians has been shown they have been fucked by this Muslim like Hindus comrade, and those be by force kidnapping, those videos has been put. I am asking the government all those videos, I am not asking to open these videos, to avoid those videos. You have to recover and to trace those girls who have been exploited and who has got their own interest or not. All those things you have to government of Modi, Madachod, you cannot escape punishment from my hand. I to give stern warning. You have to see this you obey or not, that is different story. But as you have uttered Lord Ram and asking vote joy in the name of Jai Sri Ram, you cannot avoid punishment. Keep these things.
Lived in timeless state, a timeless world. They're very spiritual, and that's what I want people to understand.
Misleading
Charged up energy, passion. We're desperate.
about climate change, where carbon dioxide has no role.
So you voted for me not as for a person, not as for a future president, but just like a single opportunity.
Now, after giving capital punishment, I cannot want to remove. As per Manu Samhita laws, I have to give it the oaths punishment of the all brewheads who left India. Has taken the second name. Any Christian name he has come into the enter. Even he is taking pension, he is looted bank. If it has come India in the second name, if the second country is multiplied, he is not allowed to come in India for any purpose. So Narendra Modi, what is your thinking? That is you cannot, in the Lord of Ram, you cannot do crime, and to so vulgar, this culprit criminal, you cannot, all these criminals who are demanding this, because you have hanged for innocent till four, because you have not given record how many girls has been misplaced, have been raped, have been killed, why, and how many babies, organs related, etc. you have not given, you have total death. Since 1965, you have not given. Narendra Modi, you will not be allowed to remain without punished, and you cannot abolish. Even if your Ram temple will be demolished because it is not by any shagging.
This, he said, would make women in India safer.
No safer. Chudumarani, no safer. You are doing crime against the daughters, countrymen, religions, and gods. We have a lot of cards achieved. Giving respect to idiot Gandhi, we cannot tolerate. I am Dr. Rabindranath. I have given all serial videos in my Twitter. That I have to give you the Twitter. You have to collect those Twitter very critically.
94.6 cases in 2016, for instance, according to the NCRP. Rape cases.
You say this mind. Now
they
they have blurred my videos. That is the problem. But still you know this my video, this one, this my sign.
Recognize them for having assaulted her. Then he may be given the death sentence. There are chances that he will go on to...
No, these girls cannot be vulgar, who to spoil life of others, that cannot be. Blue Whale Team International is very dangerous. They are doing...
I should put my heart in our court about this Shiva.
not just the death sentence being reduced.
So this is
This
not
level
tolerable,
of
not
punishment
tolerable. I have
the correct level of
to, I
punishment
have
is
given all my
sending
this
people to death. This can have
Facebook.
serious
You
consequences.
have to,
Five,
because they are hacking
tough
me.
criminal laws tend to
No,
target weaker
that's
sections of
your
society.
pleading is not
And there have been multiple
listenable.
reports of this
I am
from
not
India as
listening.
well.
I am to punish even
Those
Ramlal
who cannot
Kovind,
afford expensive
Vice
lawyers
President,
take their
Prime Minister,
cases
Chief
to higher
Minister,
courts.
everybody who is
Are more
suppressed,
likely
who
to
has
be,
not entertained on the
given
lives, who have killed that Atal Bihari, you do not
There are
go
problems with the idea of
to
retributive
festival
justice.
for Atal Bihari. As you allowed, even indirectly you have killed Narendra Modi, Atal Bihari, or Sushma Swaraj, or Arun Jaitley, Manohar Parrikar, or Somnath Chatterjee, or even that culprit I have to Pranab Mukherjee is not quotable that his integrity was not, who has supported these blue whales and all these people. Still I am not that support that you have killed, and his dead soul has been put in the hell and deep dark as my curious minute. They have killed my all relative, my married parents, mother, then aunties, etc., brother, sister, since 1915, and if it is taken very critically, 1960, all people has been killed by this blue whale. So these people, I am not interested to these
sentence
things.
is not the answer to making India a safer place for women.
No, Chudesh, I was to punish this man if he remains. Your the government, India, has to convey this message. Delhi Coordinator Office of the UNO has to message my message strong, this culprit also, because I cannot remain 2000 GDP and all social media using, if I am not able to reach you, that crime cannot be tolerated. It is strong message, it is cannot be tolerated. These people, nobody should destroy my this Facebook. I have the Ravindji for cleaning China and this blue whale. This climate, who changed the climate and creatures of these things, I have all given. It is my fault. I am not able to speak, but I has to become harsh because I am big extremely against this of these peoples have no mercy. No mercy, no mercy. How cruel manner they have. I requested them in 1916 only, you leave this place if you are innocently doing, but your punishment cannot be excused. If you can hide, you hide, but till they are attacking day and day, they are humiliating the little gods, Malini Duggal, Bhamini, Jodu Duggal, and Father, Mother, Budo, and other things. Chutki Budi, Metnapur, Stamluk, etc., Mighty Girl, Sorasam, I do not know exactly. They are in fear to express their identity. Malini Duggal, who is against the Gata Durgal, because they are. First, I have to tell that how the Indian bonds have Bengal Veterinary College created that coronavirus. It is that peoples. So श्री श्री मुक्तेश्वर महाराज जी के नाम पर ये जो वीडियो मैंने अपलोड किया, इसको भी कोई ना छेड़खान करे, इसको आप देख लीजिए, आइडेंटिफाई कर लीजिए, क्योंकि ये लोग मेरा वीडियो को ब्लर कर रहा है। हाँ, तब भी आपको पढ़ने में आएगा, ये लिसन आपको देखना है, और देख के आपको कोई भी मेरा एक भी फेसबुक अभी फिर और ट्विटर मैंने जो भी दिया है तो पूरा आपको इसको ये करना है। और अनदर माय फेसबुक रॉय, इट इज़ रॉय रविंद्रनाथ इज 94, इट इज़ टू सी दिस दैट where I am reading, but that is not readable here. They are making blurring by this remote control. That I am. It is called 948494 Rabindranath Roy. Rabindranath.948493 against 9003 etc. That I have mentioned all those things. And from here, if they can give me Sare Modi Mamata, and that they have critically, I cannot tolerate. This is probably I have recorded. Yes, I have recorded this one. So I have going to this one I have recorded. This one I have, that I have to give this is also Modi Mamata Sare Ahita, Modi Mamata Sare Ahita पर्पज। ये जो वीडियो था, इस वीडियो का मैं आपको कोशिश कर रहा हूँ ओपन कर दे तो पाता हूँ तो कर देता हूँ, लेकिन दे आर hindering me repeatedly, so those cannot be tolerated. Whatever you think Narendra Modi, you are not Modi, but you are not a Rakshas. So that purpose, I to mention all these my Gmails, these numbers. This you see this all this video, particularly this. I to mention this who has. This I to mention where that was Modi Mamata Sare Ahita Modi Kanna ये सब है इसमें that they are hindering me lot of way. I cannot see because I have opened my spectacles. Suddenly I to come and this thing another is the number Rabindranath Roy. So many things you have to. Chukarbagh has to surrender India and UN office to give at their. This is this and this. You see this 903 Facebook one and another. It is Modi Mamata Sare Ahita where they have kept. I'm just to, but I to come here. Change kari because I'm taking time, it is not don't shape. So I to it is this one. Narendra Modi, you cannot now ignore me. I have to show you this all videos one magnified form that because they are the numbers who are also misleading me. No mercy, nobody will be excused. I am so many way have communicated your number where I saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi, you cannot get. This is my number, that Facebook, you has to consider very critically. I cannot compromise with this data, this particular and 9003 or scientific document, life-saving document cannot be compromised by anybody on the earth. No government official cannot go against the total humanity of that national country. I am on the behalf of all this my 3 Twitter. You cannot remove this Facebook, you cannot. This I have told report that Modi, Mamata, Sarkar, Sare Ahita. I have mentioned the reasons and they claimed either China has to almost attack to India to snatch this power with the blue whale. That I was very angry against them, and they are also suffering people. Even these who are these particulars wave this Wicca, witchcraft, blue whale, human whale Mexico. They have damaged this one. They have blocked. Because blocking is, I do not, I am told all these things. I am from where I am Dr. Rabindranath Roy, my birthday, to all those things I have given in my videos. And if they can allow me, I can show, but they are not allowing me for many reasons to hide those things. So they have almost, they have stopped my, so many, they have locked my files. You can see this, why that reason to lock these files. Locking of this file is totally was wrong. This vulgar ladies, I have to mention who is that culprit, though cannot be excused at anyone unless this little girl. You see this cloud appearance and you will be astonished to see this, how that from underneath this sea passage is not tolerable at all. And this guy, in the goodwill, if you come to the Amazon, Alibaba, Adani, Reliance नहीं वो Airtel, even Vodafone they are maligning, Sony, etc. You see this beggar to vulgar lady, Prakash Karmachar to this in the way to make then the travel show. This BBC where I blamed him These are the people who are these criminals. I to mention all this guy not innocent, or the culprit criminal who are the worst crime done against humanity. They have killed a thousand this cloud formation. You have to see critically. Those cannot be tolerated. Those cannot be tolerated. This type of cloud formation in the sky, it is not tolerable. I have given all those 10 people who are from Arambagh, etc. and mainly Hooghly district. All these vulgar ladies or these things and others are there. If they allow me, I will show these other photos, but they are hindering me. This is the witch Danish. This is that I to cut this all these culprit criminals as Lord Ram to cut. शेर एंड इसको ये देखिए ये जो क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन है मैं इसको किसी तरीके आई कैन नॉट टॉलरेट दिस भालगार लेडी हु कैन डांस ऑन द डेड बॉडीज ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड इट इज नॉट टॉलरेबल they can dot in Bhargar naked manner on the dead bodies of Atedar Dioga Maradona or any other. So many Ravi Shankar has died, if so many people in America. They cannot ignore me because I know this is the cause of death. I seen those death cause. So all those things, so many boats cannot be at a time on place in such a vulgar purposes. They have come me. This is the culprit figures. You see these vulgar ladies. These vulgar ladies cannot be admired. They to be kept on that boot. If it is not criminal, but they cannot be put in the heart